How to make Snapchat account private. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat account private. So here first of all, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store and then search for Snapchat, and then here make sure to update your Snapchat. As you can see here, my Snapchat is asking for an update. So if your Snapchat is asking for update, make sure to update your Snapchat. Now here, let me just get inside my Snapchat, and here what you need to do to make your account private, you just need to click on the profile icon on the top left corner. Here you just need to click on the profile, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on settings. Okay, on the top right corner, just tap on settings. Now scroll down, and then here you'll get one another option, that is contact me. Simply click on contact me, and then here you have to allow on friends. Okay, just you have to allow here, and then click on OK. So here only your friends will be able to contact you, and outside your, if you don't have any friend, no one will be able to contact you. Go back, and here you can see use my Bitmoji avatar, my friend. Just click here and allow, you can allow only me, and then go back, and here you can see view my story. Just click on it. So and you have to click on friends only. So this is how you can make your Snapchat account private account. Thanks for watching.